Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a South Indian recipe, that is sambar dal recipe. This recipe is my aunt's recipe who stays in South India for long time due to her husband's transferable job. Here she also said that they made this sambar dal recipe to serve with steamed rice only. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends, relatives too. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new upcoming recipe updates in advance. Let's start the video and quickly have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this special sambar dal recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. To make South Indian sambar dal recipe, here I have taken 250 grams of toot dal, that is 2 cups of dal. First I wash them very well, then put them into pressure cooker. Here I am adding 6 cups of water and salt to taste. Then cover the lid of the pressure cooker and allows to well boil the dal up to 90%. Now turning the gas flame on high. After 3-4 whistles of pressure cooker, here I am switching the flame off and allows the pressure cooker to be cooled down totally on normal air. Friends, due to some technical problem of my camera, I am unable to show this boiling process. Really sorry for that. Please excuse me. I am taking a wok where I am adding some vegetable oil and allows the oil to be heated. When the oil becomes heated, then for seasoning, whole cumin seeds, some whole mustard seeds, some whole fenugreek seeds, 4 whole red chilies. When the seeds started crackling, here I am adding hing powder or asafoetida and some curry leaves. Then I am stirring the whole well for a minute or 2 until the whole aroma comes out from the seasoning. Then I am adding some chopped onions, stirring a little bit, and then also adding some tomatoes too. Now I am stirring the whole for some time. Then I am adding some turmeric powder, some Kashmiri red chili powder and salt to taste, and keep on stirring the whole and mixing it with each other and allows to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now here I am adding some veggies like sweet pumpkin, brinjal, beans, some amount of sambar masala powder which is easily available on market. Then keep on stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes and then simmer the flame and allows it to cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, here I am pouring the toot dal and mixing it well with all the veggies by stirring it. After mixing the dal well with veggies by stirring continuously, here I am adding 6 cups of warm water and also some lady's finger vegetables. You can choose your own veggies accordingly and allows to boil the whole on high flame for some time. When the dal started boiling and the vegetables are also well boiled, now I am turning the gas on low flame and adding tamarind water to the dal. I am also adding some sugar in it to balance the salt, sour and spicy taste. Last but not the least, I am adding some curry leaves and turning the flame off and putting a lid on the wok. Our tasty, delicious and yummy sambar dal is ready to be served. Now I am taking a serving bowl, pouring the whole dal and also the veggies too. Best served with steamed rice. If you like the recipe, then do try it at least once at home and let me know by comments in comment section below. I'm ending today's video for the time being with this prayer. All of you be stays well-being and will be coming back soon with a new cooking recipe. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.